Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Luminis Health detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Luminis Health. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will need to enter your username in the designated field. After entering your username, move on to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Ensure that your caps lock is not accidentally turned on, as passwords are case sensitive. Once you have entered both your username and password, double-check them for accuracy. When you are sure the information is correct, click on the Sign In button. If this is your first time signing in, you may be prompted to change your password. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password if necessary. If you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Enter your email address associated with your account and follow the subsequent instructions. After successfully logging in, you will be taken to the Luminis Health dashboard. From here, you can access various features tailored to your needs. If you encounter any issues during login, check your internet connection. You can also try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser. If problems persist, contact Luminis Health support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.